Hello guys, how to fix DNS probe finish no internet in Windows 11 and Windows 10 and such type of internet connection error. And to fix this, the first workaround is go to Windows search and type internet options. Open internet options and here go to connection tab from the top menu bar and go to LAN settings and make sure that automatically detect settings is duly checked and proxy server, use a proxy server for your LAN unchecked. Press OK. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type services.msc. Press OK. And in services windows look for DNS client services. Make sure that this is in enable mode. Right click on it and if you found it a stop, then start DNS and client services in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to again run command box, type ncpa.cpl, press OK. Right click on your internet connections, choose properties, select IPv version 4, click properties and use the following DNS server 888888844. Also make the check against option validate settings upon text and press OK to save the changes. The next workaround is flush DNS caches. Update network adapter driver. Go to device. Expand your network adapter driver section. Right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Press OK. Flush DNS cache is the next workaround. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute this following 5 command one by one, followed by enter key on each times. ipconfig flush DNS, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, and ipset DNS. Execute these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times in command prompt windows. And after that, must restart your system. Your error DNS probe node